Hi friends, I would like to thank you all of you for supporting me. Previously, we used to upload physics channel on Cybosocks, but from now onwards, Cybosocks is dedicated to STEAM education and robotics activities for kids. Cybosocks aims to enhance the curiosity, innovation within the kids by teaching them the same robotic concepts by using small projects and a lot of fun engaging activities. Cybosocks is now engaged in production of these kits and the courses that will help your kid to get the respective engineering field of their own choice. Our mission is to help kids to choose the best possible option in engineering that suits their own interest. We are going to achieve this by letting that kid to experience same engineering concepts but with mini projects and some fun engaging activities. So thank you all of you for being with us and I hope your support will continue as it is now. Thank you.